What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress Themes, and in today's video gonna be unboxing the Adidas Camouflage Block 3 short. This is a military stamped short. This is a nice clothes, and like Adidas website shows, when stealth meets street. This is a really comfortable cloth, and this t-shirt has a regular fit. It's a 100% cotton from jersey. It's a camo t-shirt, and it's really easy to clean. In fact, you just put it in the washing machine with the other dark clothes. Has this nice Adidas logo in it, the classical logo, and it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and don't forget to check out the visualmodo.com portfolio of amazing WordPress themes. And I'll see you later. All the best!